Conservatory roof replacement Eastleigh. Is your conservatory too cold in winter and too hot in summer? Imagine if your conservatory maintained a comfortable temperature all year round. With a conservatory roof replacement, that's what happens. It will keep your room cool in the summer by reducing the glare from the sun. And it will keep your room warm during the winter by saving up to 90% of heat loss, giving you a place to relax 365 days of the year. Another of the key benefits is the reduction in energy consumption, leading to lower energy bills. Also, conservatory roof replacement can prevent condensation from forming, which can significantly reduce the risk of mould growth. For more information on our local conservatory roof replacement services, contact us today on 07480779589.